at Garden Time, we love to tell you all about how to plant trees and shrubs and perennials in your garden. But there's actually one thing you should do before you actually plant those, is you need to call 811, call before you dig. And so I'm with Eric today from Northwest Natural. And so Eric, why is it so important that we do call?
Well, safety is the number one importance on calling. You want to make sure you do not damage or hit any utilities in your property. So as when you call 811, which is a national one number system, you allow the locators and utilities to come out and accurately locate any utility that's on your property, even outside your property if that's what you're requesting.
And really, it's also for safety of your neighborhood too, isn't it?
That's correct, yeah. So there's gas lines below ground and also power lines below ground. Those are very hazardous.
And so should I call like in a couple days before, or can I call right before I'm going to do my project?
So you want to call 2 business days before you start digging, not more than 10 business days before you start.
And then should I tell you exactly where I'm going to be working? Does that help you guys?
Yeah, so the more accurate you can be with the exact location of where you're digging is better. That allows the locators to come to your property and put locate marks down. It allows them to know exactly where you plan to do your digging.
And you know, I have really sharp tools. So if you could just kind of explain about the different kind of pipes that you have in your
Yeah, so I got a couple examples here. Here we got a 2-inch line. This is what you'd find out in the street distributed to your service line, which is right here, a 1/2-inch line. These 1/2-inch lines, what you find mostly on property, are very thin. A shovel will go right through that and cause a damage and gas to escape.
That is true. So you really want to be safe for yourself and for also your neighbors too.
Correct.
And then if I do damage, I'm responsible, aren't I?
Yes, they are very expensive damages. There is a cost involved with that. So not only is it unsafe, there is a cost that goes along with damage in utilities.
And you know, April is a very special month here, isn't it?
Yes, April is National Dig Safety Month. It is very important to us here, and we just want to make sure everybody gets the word out about calling 811.
Yeah, and you know, it is really that easy, and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to call before you dig, but after, if you do the damage, you are responsible. So please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the website, and you can get all that information to be safe. Thanks so much, Eric.
Thank you.